Hello, guys.
Hi,
Welcome
hello
to
guys.
FFED Live. So, Francis, let us welcome all our participants for this Facebook Live Series for front-end developers. We will be starting in 5 minutes.
Feel free to say hi and ask us questions. Introduce yourself, tell us where you're from. Tell us what school or organization you're representing. Let us know by leaving a comment.
Okay, let us see. It's in the comment section. Hi,
Hello.
Marinette. Alabas.
Hello, Carlo. Good evening.
Hi, Stephen. Hi, Stephen Chris Basilan.
Hi, Fillmore. Thank you for tagging your friends.
Hello, Bernard Destino.
Okay, so do we have any developers with us tonight? So if you're looking for a dev job, then this is the right webinar for you. We are here to help you evolve your career.
Hi, everyone. Good evening. My name is Ires, and
My name is Frances, and we're talent acquisition specialists of Filta, and we will be your hosts for tonight. So don't forget to share this live and tag your friends in the comment section. This is a free webinar with an e-certificate. So let's help each other learn for free right here at Filta.
I think, Francis, there's a lot of participants who are curious to know what Filta is about. If you haven't heard of Filta, we specialize in e-commerce, digital marketing agencies looking for great talents in the Philippines. We are always on the hunt for great Filipinos to showcase what we have to offer, especially if you're interested in working for really cool global brands, whether it may be in US, UK, or Australia.
That's right, Iris. So if you're looking for a sign, then this is it. Check out filtaglobal.com/careers to find out job opportunities that we are offering. So at the moment, guys, we're hiring more than 25 full-time jobs. So you heard that right? 25 full-time jobs, and one of them might be for you. So currently, we're hiring for the following dev roles.
Okay, guys. So right now, we have a front-end developer opening, junior web developer. We're also hiring for mid React.js developer and senior React.js developer, senior full-stack Shopify developer, and of course, technical support representative. But guys, wait for this one. We are not only hiring devs, but also graphic designers, digital marketers, admin, and back office roles.
So to learn more about our jobs, make sure you visit our website. Guys, you may also refer your friends or people you know who might be fit for our vacancies and earn 10,000 pesos. So you can refer as many as you like. Just send your referrals to careers@filtaglobal.com.
Okay, so guys, do you know we have a Filipino front-end developers Facebook group? You can talk to us, ask us anything related to front-end. You are welcome to our community. We are also inviting everyone to follow our newly created Filter Careers page on LinkedIn to receive daily job updates, recruitment, career advice, tips, events, resources, and even motivational quotes to help you grow. You can follow us at linkedin.com/showcase/filter-careers.
Okay, so Iris, how about we read some comments?
Sure. Okay. There's a lot of people in here. Thank you guys for supporting us. So hi, Kim Tiberio.
Hello, Tristan Pitogo.
Okay, we also have here Cecilio Jerry Cruz Jr. Hello.
Hi, Kimberly. Good afternoon. So that's Kimberly from University of Northern Philippines.
Hello, Dale. Thank you very much.
Okay, so hello to HJ Miranda, aspiring front-end developer.
Welcome,
So this is the
HJ.
right webinar for you.
Okay. Hi, Arnel Villanueva.
So guys, don't forget to tag your friends or share this live. This is a free webinar and we will be giving e-certificates. So we'll share the link later.
Hi, Jen Sulik from STI Global.
Hello, Aldrin. Thank you for tagging your friends.
Okay, we also have here Rejoice Navarro. Thank you for tagging your friends.
Hi, Jansen Salamero. Good evening.
Okay, hi, Tisha Lopez.
Okay, also hello to Rachel Franco from Colegio de Montalban.
Oh, we have here from PUP Manila, JB Pedrosa.
Okay, guys, don't forget, check out Filta Careers. So that's where you'll find job opportunities that we have. Currently, we're hiring 25 full-time roles.
Guys, we are also in LinkedIn. Don't forget, follow us on LinkedIn for more jobs, openings, and updates.
That's right. Hello to Phoebe Joy. Thank you for tagging your friend. Hello
We also have here Yanmar Fernandez. Hi, Yanmar.
Hello to Diane Joy Targa. Good evening.
We also have here from PUP Santo Tomas, Bohol, Saraga.
Hello, Mira Estor. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Guys, tag your friends, share this Facebook Live. We will start in 3 minutes.
So again, guys, this is a free webinar. Feel free to share this live and tag your friends. We will be giving an e-certificate.
We also have here from SPI Malolos, Sam Tobias.
Hi, Harvin. Thank you for tagging your friends.
We also have from PUP iTech. Hello, Arjen.
Good evening, Joshua, watching from Iligan City.
Well, we have someone from Iligan. Thank you for the support.
Hello,
Hello,
Ronan.
Okay, Teddy from PUP Maragondon.
Wow. We also have someone from Caraga State University. That's Rav. Brian Hatap.
Hi, John Ray from La Union. I miss going back there in La Union.
Hello to Angelo Bonifacio. Good evening.
We also have
We
from
have
Batangas, Lipa, Batangas. Hi, Patrick.
Yusuke Balaoy watching from Kapangan, Benguet.
You guys, thank you very much. We are so happy for your support.
Hello, Lawrence from PUP Santa Mesa.
Hi, Jovi from Quezon City.
So thank you, Ila, for tagging your friends.
We also have Nove Mark from University of Northern Philippines, Ilocos.
Okay, hello, Mira from PUP Santa Mesa. And Sean from PUP Santo Tomas. Okay, guys, so today we're going to talk about JavaScript HTML DOM. Create web pages using JavaScript. So our speaker for tonight will be presenting. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to send them on our Slido link and we'll check them out later. So who's ready to learn more about front-end development using JavaScript? So our speaker for tonight is a front-end developer and a graphic designer. So he's determined to learn new things, especially in the field of front-end development. He's a hardworking person and he loves challenges. So let's all welcome Jersen Meim.
Hello, my name is Jersen. So yung topic ko ngayon is about JavaScript DOM. So DOM stands for Document Object Model and is a programming interface that allows you to change yung isang HTML page or create dynamically mga elements sa isang HTML page. So yung goal natin ngayon ay create tayo ng simple website gamit yung JavaScript. So this is my workspace. So, my left side, ito yung file ko. Tapos, sa right side, naka-live na siya. At yung HTML file, nakakonect na siya sa isang CSS. At meron na siyang JavaScript file. I also have a container para sa aking information. Tapos, may simpleng footer. So, gagawa tayo ngayon ng navigation. Tapos, mag-add tayo ng isang button para mag-show and hide ng additional detail para sa akin. Tapos baguhin natin konti yung footer. So kung makikita nyo sa right side, so medyo wala pa siyang design. So meron akong blankong script file saka CSS file. So ang ginagawa ko lang madalas, I divide my code sa tatlo. So I have query selectors. So sa part na yan, sinusulat ko lahat ng paraan paano i-call yung mga container dito. And then sa event listener naman, nandyan lang yung part kung saan papakita lahat ng event tapos mangyayari yung isang function. Halimbawa, kapag nag-load yung isang page, ito yung function na mangyayari. Or kapag click ko yung isang element, ito yung mangyayari. So, nandiyan siya nakalagay, nakadefine. And sa functions, of course, yung mga functions natin, mga methods. So, start tayo by creating a simple navigation. So, let's create a function. So, I will just name it create navigation. So, I assume na meron kayong konting alam sa JavaScript functions or paano sila tawagin. And to create a element, ang unang gagawin natin is we will call the document and then yung method is called create element. And it has a parameter which is yung tag na kikreate natin. So remember, sa isang navigation, meron tayong nav tag, merong ul tag, li at saka anchor. So gagawa tayo ng ganun. I think the best way is to wrap up sa isang variable itong mga to. So const nav is equal to document.createElement and then the first one is nav tag. After that, define natin yung ul. So just copy and paste. Tapos change lang natin yung variable sa ul. Tapos yung anchor tag. Or yung tags, I mean. Tapos mag-create tayo ng tatlong li. So name it li1, li2 saka li3. So li1, and then change sa parameter ng li or list. So once we created the list, yung huli, if you will create a anchor tag. So A1, A2, and A3. So just name that to anchor tag or A. So once we define yung mga element, so meron tayong reference. Ang gagawin natin, we will change yung property ng mga to. So wala mo tayong babaguhin sa list saka sa UL and nav. We will just change yung property ng A1. Anchor tag 1 and 3, 1 to 3. So call the variable A1 and then yung property is inner.html and then yung parameter or equals yung value niya is I will just name it home. Okay? And then mag-set tayo ng attribute. Call the variable again, then set attribute. Then yung first parameter is yung string niya, tapos yung value. So, sa isang tag, syempre meron siyang href. And then second parameter, yung value. So, I will just connect that to a pound sign. So, wala pa kasi tayong na-create na ibang HTML page. So, just a pound sign. And then, copy that for sa second anchor tag and third anchor tag. Okay, so A2 and then A3. So, gagawin natin, syempre meron tayong home, create tayo ng additional anchor tag about, tapos contact. Okay, don't forget to close that to a semicolon. So, once na natapos natin tong part na yan, pinakamahalagang part is kailangan natin siyang idugtong sa bawat isa at idudugtong natin siya sa pinaka main tags natin. Which is in our case, yung main tag natin is yung body. So, merong method called append child. So, i-call nyo lang yung parent, li1, that append child, and then, idugtong natin si a1 kay li1. So, a1. So, same thing for li2 and a2. Then, li3 for a3. Okay? So, after madugtong si anchor tags sa mga linya, we have to dugtong din yung li tag sa UL. So, same thing din. Call the parent first, UL, sa case natin. And then, append child, li. Because mayroon lang naman tayong isang UL, so we don't have UL1 and 3. So, we just change yung li1, li2, and li3. Okay. So, let's see. I think everything looks good. So, gagawin naman natin ngayon, you will append si UL doon sa parent niya, which is si nav. So, nav that append child UL. Okay, and then yung pinaka-big container, si Nav, append natin siya sa body. So, dahil wala naman tayong define na variable para kay body, so we'll just call that document.body append child and then Nav. Okay, so I think okay na siya. Um, Siyempre hindi siya gagana kasi hindi pa siya tinatawag. So, pwede naman natin siyang tawagin dito. So, just create navigation. So, makita ninyo, nag-appear na siya dito. Pero, mamaya kasi marami tayong function. So, mas maganda kung lagyan natin siya sa isang main function. So, create tayo ng function dito, pinaka-main natin. Function, lagyan natin generate list. Tapos, ilagay natin yung unang function dyan. And then, gagawin natin ngayon is, naisip ko kasi, imbis na tawagin siya, lagay na lang siya as event listener. So, meron kasing paraan dyan. So, document that add event listener, yun yung method. And then, yung name ng event is DOM, content load. Ganyan. Tapos, yung function. So, in our case, generate list. Ayan. So, nag-load naman na kasi siya. So, nag-load pa rin siya dito. So, I think we are done with the navigation. Pero, nang nangyari, yung append child niya is sa baba siya napunta, imbis sa taas. So, just take note of that. And to change that, merong isang paraan din para itugtong siya. We will have to use the method insert before. Okay, so insert before. And then, yung unang parameter is yung i-insert mo, which is yung nav. And kung saan siya bago ma-insert. So, gusto ko siyang insert bago dito sa content. Okay? So, akyat tayo dito konti sa query selector. We will call that container. So, I will put that sa isang variable. Name ko lang siya as container. Or content na lang. It's equal to. So, meron kasing merong paraan para i-call mo yung mga container. Ang pinakasimpleng way is by ID. Pero wala pa naman tayong gagamit dyan ng ID. We just call the class. So, to call the class, type nyo lang document.query selector. Tapos yung class. So, in our case, yung class niya is .content. So, para lang kayong gumagamit ng CSS. So, name ng class is content. So, just use dot as content. Okay? So, once we define the variable content, call natin siya dito. Ayan. So, nag-change na yung position nung navigation na punta niya sa taas. So, I think we're done with the navigation. So, again, explain ko lang. Tinawag natin si generate list. Then, nag-create tayo ng another function just to create the navigation. Tapos, tinawag natin sila using this function. And we add event listener, DOM content loaded. So, every time it's loaded, it will use this function. Okay? So, yun yung part. Okay, so yung next is gagawa tayo ng additional button just to show in high detail sa aking sarili. So we'll create additional 2 p tags here with a button. So yun ang mangyayari. We will just name the function um, learn more. And then, unang gagawin natin is we will create a anchor tag. So wrap up that sa isang variable is equal to document cons learn more. O learn na lang. Parang tayo malito. Is equal to document that create element and then yung anchor tag. Tapos, lagay tayo ng information sa kanya. So, learn that inner HTML is equal to learn more. Tapos, i-append natin siya doon sa container, which is yung content kanina. Dito. So, call the parent content that append child learn. After that, we have to call the function learn more dito sa main function natin. Okay. So, I think it's already appended. So, makita nyo dito. Append na siya. So, gagawin natin, every time we click that, mag-generate siya ng dalawa pang p-tag. So, how to do that? So, we have to make a add event listener, learn that add event listener. So, yung event niya is just a click. Tapos, yung name ng function is just to show. Okay. So, you can see on my right side, show is not defined. So, we will define that. Function show. Tapos, let's see kung mag-work siya. Console.log. Hello. Oops. Okay, every time you click this, mag-generate siya hello. Okay, pero hindi yun yung gusto natin mangyari. We have to make a 2 tags. So, to do that, same thing. We will create a 2 tags. So, I will just name it P1 and then P2. P1, oops, P. Then, we also have to create an information para sa kanila. So, P1 dot inner HTML is equal to a front-end developer and a graphic designer. You name this as P2. Okay, so meron na tayong function na show. So, gagawin natin is we have to append that dito sa container every time we click yung show. So, paano siya? So, same thing din. Call the parent content. Pero ngayon, hindi ko gagamitin yung append child. I will just use again yung insert before. Kasi pag ginamit ko yung append child, pupunta siya sa ilalim ng learn more na button. So, we don't want that to happen. So, insert before. So, yung proper, yung tag na insert mo, which is P1, tapos saan siya? Part. So, in our case, yung learn na tag. So same thing then, p2. Okay, so let's try. Let's click this one. So lumalabas na siya. Pero ang nangyayari, kapag kinikall ito, generate siya nang i-generate. So we don't want to happen again. So gagawin natin, kapag click ko na siya, kailangan baguhin natin yung laman niya, yung learn more. So paano yun? Gagawin ko, baguhin ko muna yung text content niya. So copy ko lang to, lagay ko dito. Gawin kong back. So let's see. Learn more and back. Yan, gumagana na siya. Tapos, meron kasing opposite tong at event listener which is yung remove. So we have to remove yung existing na add event listener. So learn that remove event listener. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Remove. Tapos yung pangalan niya. Saka yung to event which is yung kanina click. Tapos yung name, I think show. Ayan. So let's try learn more back. Ayan. So wala na siya, hindi siya gumagana. So ang gagawin natin, mag-create tayo ulit ng additional function. So na-remove natin siya, we will just add again. Pero ibang function na. So copy ko lang to. Function na back. So let's see, learn more. So back is not defined. So again, we will create another function, name back. So medyo malapit na tayo matapos. Gagawin ko naman is, so kailangan kapag click ko to, mare-remove yung itong dalawang to. So ang gagawin ko lang, pinaka-simpleng method is p1.remove. And then p2.remove. Let's see kung ma-remove siya. Okay, learn more and then back. So, remove na siya. Pero nangyari ay hindi siya mabalik sa learn more. So, we will just copy and paste this one. And then append again and then event listener which is yung show. Let's see. Mag-correct siya. Learn more. Ayan. So, gumagana na siya. So, I think we're done with that part. So, let's close that. At yung pinaka-last, gusto ko lang lagyan ng year yung footer. So, lagyan ko lang siya ng 2021. So, I will just name function footer. So, dito, we will call the ID ng container niya, which is this one. So, balik tayo sa taas sa query selector natin. Const footer is equal to document that get element by ID. So, ID yung gagamitin ngayon kasi naka-ID siya. So, yung name ng ID is footer. Tapos, balik tayo dito. So, footer dot. So, actually, pwede mong matawag to by calling their children. So, type nyo lang first element child. Let's see kung tama ako. First element child dot text content or inner.html. Pwede rin. Text content is equal to 2021. Okay, so I think we got an error kasi parehas yung name niya. So I will just name it manipulate footer. And then we have to call this function. Just copy that and paste that in here. Ayan. So nangyari, napalitan lahat. Hindi lang yung sa akin. Now, pinakasimpleng method is just put a plus icon here. And then it will add. So just paste. Yan. So I think okay na tayo sa part ng HTML. So this is how we create yung simpleng JavaScript file para mag-create ng isang HTML page. So nag-create tayo kanina ng navigation at nag-create tayo ng simpleng animation just to show and hide details. Tapos nag-add tayo ng additional details sa footer. So I think we're done with the objective. So ang gagawin ko lang last is we will have to style it. So para maging medyo maganda siya. Okay, so sa case na to, so gagamit ako ng style sheet which is yung SAS. So I will call all of them. I will just use box sizing, border box, and then I will remove everything, margin, 0, and padding, 0. And then I will use the font family of Segoe. So dahil hindi siya gumagana kasi hindi ko pa siya nakakompile. So click lang natin itong watch SAS. And ito na yung nangyari. So medyo madali na lang siya. So unang gagawin natin, we have to change yung nav. So sa SAS kasi, ang pinaka the best dito is kung ano yung itsura ng nav, ganun din yung itsura dito sa CSS. Para hindi kayo malito. So nav, meron tayong UL, meron tayong LI, meron tayong LI, and then meron tayong A. Ayan. So sa nav, of course, I will make that background color which is black. Tapos, display flex natin tong UL. And then, add tayo ng padding. About 11 pixels. Para maganda yung spacing. Ganyan. And then, padding ulit sa anchor tag. Siguro mga 8 pixels. And then, tanggalin natin yung underline. So, text decoration is equal to none. And then, color, which is white. Ayan. So, meron na siyang white color. And then, lagyan tayo ng konting hover. So, ampersand, colon, hover. I will just use background color ng white, and then color black. So, every time I hover, meron siya. So, nakita natin meron siyang list na style. So, remove natin yun. List style type. It's equal to none. Ayan, so okay na siya. Okay, we're done with the nav. So let's go to the content. So gagawin ko, I will make that center. Content. And then, siguro maglagay tayo ng image mamaya. So image. Leave it blank muna kasi wala pa naman tayong image. Then P. So lahat ng P tapos lahat ng A. Okay, sa content, gusto ko siya maging center. So text align is equal to center. Tapos display flex. And then flex direction. Gawin natin siyang column para pababa. Tapos justify content, siyempre center natin. And then align items, center din. And then we will expand that to 100 view height, VH, para mag-expand siya, para maging center siya. Okay? And then sa image, mamaya, we will use the width, siguro 15% lang. Kasi naka-mobile tayo ngayon. And then sa P, margin, siguro 2 pixels, then 0, para may konting spacing siya. Tapos sa anchor tag, para ma-distinguish yung learn more, type lang natin sa margin top muna tayo. Lagay tayo ng konting margin sa top. Siguro mga 10 pixels lang. Tapos, bago natin yung background color ng black. Okay. Then, color ng text, which is white. At padding, siguro mga 10 pixels. Ayan. So, medyo pangat din yung cursor natin. Pag kinlik ko dito, naka-text cursor pa rin siya. So, gawin natin pointer. Cursor pointer. Ayan, naka-pointer na siya. Mas maganda yung itsura. Okay, so we're done. Next, close natin to para hindi nakakalito. Punta tayo sa footer. So, sa footer, simple lang naman. Siyempre, background color. Black pa rin, para consistent. Ito siya. And then, gusto ko naka-fix siya sa baba. Pero color muna. Color, which is white. Then, position. Gawin natin siyang fix. Ayan. Hindi siya makita. Nasaan kaya yun? Okay, so I think kasi naka-fix siya. So, bottom 0. Ayan, ito siya. Tapos, lumiit siya kasi naka-position fix. So, let's try to expand that to 100%. And then, lagay tayo ng padding. Mga 11 pixels din. Para same sa navigation. Ayan, so parehas na sila. Let's close this one. Ayan. So, next one is mag-media query tayo. Konti lang. Para lang dito sa image. Kasi pag nilagay natin to, so hindi na ako gagamit ng JavaScript file. So, kasama nyo na lang yan. Paano maglagay ng image tag using JavaScript. Pero, ang madaliin ko na lang. So, I will just use image source inside this page. So, dito na siya sa katabi ko siya kanina. So, profile. Profile.png. Then, attribute tayo ng name ko. So, okay na siya. Meron na siyang picture. Pero medyo maliit siya. So, ang gagawin natin is we will add a media query sa mobile. Media only screen and max width ng 700 pixels. 767 px. Tapos dito maglagay ng media queries. Para every 767 pixels, medyo tamang-tama lang yung size ng image. So, dahil nito siya sa loob ng dot content, so dot content, and then image. So, width is equal to 50%. Let's see if it's working. So, I think I've got the wrong tag. Here we go. So, minimize natin to. Ayan. So, ito yung final result natin. So, mas malinis kasi tignan kapag gumamit kayo ng JavaScript. So, medyo complicated lang siya sa una. Pero, masanay rin naman tayo. And, ang the best way para matutunan to is, of course, research and practice. So, think of a way na magamit yung itong mga function na to para manipulahin yung isang HTML page. So, I think that's all for this video. So, hope you like it and you learn a lot. So, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jersen. That was very helpful, very insightful. I'm pretty sure our viewers learned a lot. So let's move on to our Q&A. Let me just share some of the questions that we have here.
Are you ready, Jersen?
Yes, ready na.
Okay. So, just a question that you want to answer.
Yes, ako na bahala. Okay, so maraming salamat sa mga tanong ninyo, no? I appreciate your eagerness para matuto sa JavaScript and become a front-end developer someday. I would like to pick the first one. So, question niya is how to be a front-end developer kahit student pa lang. Okay, that's a good question. Of course, hindi ka magkakaroon ng certificate kasi hindi ka pa naman graduate, pero you can be a developer, a front-end developer. Ang suggestion ko sa iyo is try to study first yung main language na tatlo. Yung HTML, we have CSS, and we have JavaScript. And remember, ang pagiging front-end developer, hindi lang siya basta nagko-code ka. You have to be creative. And I think the best thing is to read books regarding design. So, isang suggestion ko yan sa inyo. Kasi you are doing yung front-end, yung pinaka-umpisa, yung nakita ng tao sa website. So, may mga bagay na kailangan yung ayusin, like yung margin, yung pagkapantay-pantay ng mga elements. So, yun yung mga ilang bagay that will help you become a successful front-end developer. Okay, thank you for that. And I would like to answer again from Anonymous. What other programming languages can we learn aside from JavaScript? Okay, so thank you for that question. I think sobrang marami tayong language. We have C#, we have Python, we have PHP, we have Java. So ilan yung mga yon? Yun yung mga language that will help you create a website, a web application, and kung gusto niyo matuto rin sa backend, mas maganda rin siyang matutunan. Pero when it comes to front-end, ang madalas lang ginagamit ay yung CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Yan, di mawawala yan. Okay. Okay, for the next question. JavaScript looks complicated than I thought. Sabi niya. Any tips on how I can learn JavaScript in less complicated way? Actually, personally, na-struggle din ako sa JavaScript. I lived that for almost 6 months. Nag-focus lang ako sa CSS and HTML and other languages kasi hindi ko rin siya talaga maintindihan. But, ito yung naging motivational ko. Gusto ko kasi mag-create ng dynamically na website. Halimbawa, maraming data and I want that makita ko sa isang website. So, yung JavaScript yung nakita kong isang paraan to do that. Well, wala namang madali talaga na mag-aral ng isang language, especially yung programming. Pero depende ka yan sa learner mo. Kung visual learner ka, you can watch YouTube. You can follow some YouTubers. You can follow blogs. If you are on the reader side, you can read books. You can download PDF. It will help you learn more about JavaScript and other languages as well. And plug ko na rin yung, I think yung namin, page. Yung mga group namin. So, pwede nyo akong kontakin mamaya. I-add ko kayo doon or pwede kayong matuto doon. Okay, thank you for that. It's from JS Beginner. Okay, for the next question, ito yung magandang question kanina. So, nagustuhan ko to is from Joby P. So, sabi niya, may reason ba kung bakit hindi lang idiretso na lang yung document that add event listener yung lahat, yung create navigation na function kanina, yung nakita niyo sa video. Well, it's pwede naman, pero if you're using many functions, mas maganda kung i-wrap up nyo sa isang function and then saka nyo siya tawagin para mas madali mag-load. Okay, and then next question. Why do we use JavaScript to build element instead of HTML? So, magandang question yan. So, siguro nabansin ninyo, simple lang naman yung ginawa natin kanina. Navigation lang, may content, may footer. Bakit di ko na lang sinulat sa HTML? Well, it's a beginning para sa isang dynamically website. So, think of a way, isipin nyo you're working on a health department. And the health department wants you to show yung data. So, let's say you're going to get data from another server. At syempre, sobrang dami nila. At hindi mo naman siya kailangan i-type all at once. And then kapag nag-update sila, magta-type ko ng panibago. So, hindi yun yung ganun yung paraan. And that's the JavaScript comes. Because of JavaScript, it automatically loaded yung mga data from the server. So, more or less, ito yung API na tinatawag. So, dynamically, syempre, halimbawa, COVID-19 cases. So, may mga data from another site, nag-upgrade sila, nag-update sila, nag-update din yung site mo because connected sila. So, that's the power of JavaScript. Okay, next question. So, the coding standard organization I've shown in the group is query selector, event listener, and function. So, ang question niya, is this the standard used by most developer? Okay, kung napansin nyo kanina, hinati ko lang sa tatlong section yung JavaScript ko. Well, kanina we have query selector, event listener, and function. Well, hindi naman ganun palagi kasi we have module na tinatawag. So, medyo advanced na siya. Pero, yun lang yung ginagawa ko madalas kasi madali ko siyang i-manage at the same time, madali siyang intindihin kung meron akong kasabang developer. Kasi nakahati siya sa tatlo. Sabihin, pwede niyang basahin siya ng mabilisan. So, it's up to you. You can do that. You can copy my way of standard. Pero, it depends pa rin sa preference ninyo. Okay, so marami pa itong question. And, salamat sa 574 viewer ngayon. Ayan. So, hopefully, masagot ko siya. Kung hindi ko siya masagot, you can message me directly. So, one message away lang naman ako. Pwede ko yung sagutin. Okay. I think I will answer itong part na to. Ano yung pinagkaiba ng SAS sa CSS? Ayan. So, medyo malayo siya sa topic natin pero dahil ginawa ko siya, I will answer that. Well, yung CSS, normal lang siya na pag-code ng style, pang-style siya. Pero when it comes to SAS, mas madali siyang gawin. Isa nested na programming. So for example, kung ano yung itsura ng container mo, let's say yung navigation, you have nav, then inside that you have UL, LI, and then anchor tag. So um, the same standard din yung gagawin mo doon sa SAS. So same structure din. So mas madali siyang gawin. So yun yung actually pinagkaiba ng SAS sa CSS. Pero hindi nilo-load ni SAS, hindi nilo-load ng browser yung SAS. That's why kino-compile natin siya para maging isang CSS. Ayan.
Okay, Jersen, thank you for that one. I think excited rin yung nasa viewers natin to ask you question, guys. So if you do have question, please comment down.
So let's take a look at some of the questions from the comments.
Okay, I think we have this from Fillmore, David. After you learn JavaScript, what's next? Vue.js, Node.js, or Angular?
Hindi ko siya sasagutin kasi hindi ko pa naman siya try. I mean, hindi ko siya sagutin kasi hindi ko pa siya try. Pero, iba-iba kasing framework yan. So, I think the best way is to try kung ano yung mag-fit sa'yo. Pero I think mas sikat ngayon yung React at mas marami siyang gumagamit. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung para doon.
Okay, thank you, Jersen. We have another one here from JR. Ano po ba ang pinagkaiba ng JavaScript sa React.js?
Okay. So, as I said before, React is a framework. Yun lang yung pinagkaiba niya. Mas madali siyang gamitin. Sige, I will go back to you. Message mo ko. I will explain to you a little bit about that. I will not answer for that for a while. Okay, let's go to the next question.
Okay, how about this one? So Jemuel is asking, what is the best IDE for you?
Oh, the best IDE. So, ang ginagawa ko, ang ginagamit ko last time is IntelliJ. Kasi yun yung una ko nagamit. Pero you can use Visual Studio. Isa IDE din. Ang ginagamit ko yung Visual Studio as IDE kapag gumagamit ako ng C#. Gumagamit din ako ng Eclipse pag Java. So, yun yung mga ginagamit kong IDE.
Okay, thank you for that. We have from Jeneline Panopio. Is JavaScript the common language that used by developers?
Yes, it's common language used by developer. Actually, ang JavaScript, hindi mo lang siya magagamit sa front-end. Ginagamit din sa back-end. So, it's a great way to learn JavaScript. It's complicated sa una. Kasi mas logical siya. Pero it will mas maganda yung magiging website or web application.
Okay, so we have one question here. So what's the most satisfying moment for you as a front-end developer? So that was from Camp Tiberio, software engineering student. Thank you for that.
Yes, thank you, Kemp. Ang satisfying sa akin siguro yung nakikita ko masaya yung nanonood. Actually, marami silang natututunan sa akin. At the same time, eager silang mag-ask ng question. Yun lang yung pinaka-satisfying sa akin. Kasi, ang pagiging developer, I think, sobrang mahirap siya. Napakaraming ups and downs. Pero as you go by, maganda siya. Marami kang matututunan. And you will learn a lot of friends. At, yun. Yun lang. Yung satisfying sa akin.
Thank you, Jersen. We have another one here. Jericho, pwede po bang gamitin ng JavaScript sa PHP?
JavaScript sa PHP. I think yung question niya kung pwedeng gamitin yung both sa isang website. Yes, pwedeng gamitin yung both sa isang website. When you load JavaScript, syempre nakakonect siya sa HTML or PHP. Pwede. As long as naka-connected siya, you will write the tag script and then yung source file niya. Yes, pwede.
Okay. A question from Johnny Ortega. Ano yung pinaka-challenging or hardest time mo sa pagiging front-end dev?
Yes. Thank you, Johnny. So, Johnny is my friend actually. He's my church mate. So, thank you for your question. Ano yung pinaka-challenging hardest time ko sa pagiging developer? Well, yung pagiging challenging time is kasi pag marami ka ng language, minsan nakakalito na. So, alam mo yun, yung syntax ng kabila, minsan nakakalimutan mo siya sa kabilang syntax. So, because dalawang lang siya ang pinag-aralan mo. Yun yung pinaka-hardest part sa akin. At sa pinaka-hardest part pa is yung I think to be more creative, to bridge the gap between your pinakamaganda mo na, parang gusto pa siyang lampasan. Yun yung pinakamahirap sa akin. Kasi I look back sa mga ibang mga designs when it comes sa website, and I want that to achieve, or I want that to be more higher, mas maganda pa. So yun yung nakita kong pinakamahirap para sa akin. To achieve more, to reach more, and to learn more. Yes, thank you for your question.
Thank you, Jersen. Thank you for answering all those questions. Anyway, there's a lot of questions to answer, but we lack time. So, can you tell us saan kanila pwedeng, i-message or ma-contact to ask more questions?
Okay, sige. So, yung pangalan ko sa Facebook is Jersen Meim. Don't forget yung spelling, M-E-I-M. Mama Echo India Mama. Yun yung name ko. At meron siyang dalawang account. So, message mo yung dalawang yun. At sasagot ako doon. Or you can message me directly sa my page, Designed by Jersen. So, pwede nyo akong kontakin doon. From my social media account. Thank you.
Okay, guys, don't forget to follow him at Designed by Jersen. Also, follow us on Facebook to be notified for more events and free webinars. Visit filtaglobal.com/careers to view our job opportunities. So at the moment, we're hiring more than 25 full-time jobs, and one of them might be the one for you. So we're not only hiring developers, but also graphic designers, digital marketers, admin, and back office roles.
Okay, guys. So to learn more about our jobs, make sure you visit our website. Guys, we have a referral program that gives you 10,000 pesos for a successful hire. So 5,000 on the second week of hire plus 5K upon regularization. You can refer as many as you like. So guys, thank you very much para sa support. We had a lot of viewers, guys, today. So I think a while back we have 500 plus viewers. Again, if you want more free events, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and be notified. Thank you everyone for participating.
Also, check out the comment section for the link for your e-certificate. Don't forget to answer the form. It'll only be open until 8 p.m. So expect your e-certificate to be sent to you next week.
Okay, so guys, once you have your e-certificates, we really encourage you to post your certificates in LinkedIn and tag at Filta Careers. Don't forget the hashtags that will be showing on the banner and comment section. So that will be hashtag FiltaFam and hashtag Start with Filta. So again, that is hashtag FiltaFam and hashtag Start with Filta.
If you guys missed our live, don't worry, we will be uploading a recorded session on YouTube, Filta. So make sure you're subscribed to be notified. So again, Jersen, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for sharing your knowledge. I'm pretty sure our viewers learned a lot. And to our viewers, happy weekend. Stay safe. And we'll see you again on May 7th, same time, 6 p.m. for our next FFED Live Series. Thank you so much, guys.
Guys, thank you for the support. Bye.